Welcome to our channel. If you're ready to start investing in stocks and you're considering using E-Trade, you've come to the right place. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of buying stocks on E-Trade. Step 1. Set up your E-Trade account. 1. Visit the E-Trade website. Go to the official E-Trade website and click on Open an account. 2. Choose account. Type. Decide whether you want a brokerage account for individual investing, a joint account for partners, or a retirement account like an IRA. 3. Fill out the application. Complete the online application by providing personal information, including your name, address, social security number, employment details, and financial information. 4. Review and submit. Double-check your entries for accuracy and submit your application. You might need to verify your identity through a secure method, such as a code sent to your phone. Step 2. Fund your account. 1. Log in. Once your account is activated, log in using your credentials. 2. Deposit funds. Select the transfer funds or deposit option. You can link your bank account to transfer funds electronically, write a check, or transfer assets from another brokerage. 3. Set amount. Enter the amount of money you wish to deposit and confirm the transaction. Step 3. Research stocks. 1. Market research. Use the E-Trade research tools to analyze stocks. Look for potential investments by reviewing market trends, reading stock news, and analyzing investment ratings. 2. Create a watch list. Compile a list of stocks you are interested in. This will help you keep track of their performance and news. Step 4. Place an order. 1. Find your stock. Use the search bar to locate the stock you wish to purchase by entering its name or ticker symbol. 2. Select the stock. Click on the stock to view its detailed information. 3. Choose order. Type. Click on the Buy button. You'll have several order types to choose from, including market orders, buying at the current price, or limit orders, buying only at a price you specify. 4. Enter quantity. Specify the number of shares you want to buy. 5. Review order. Check all details of your order for accuracy, including the stock name, order type, quantity, and total cost. 6. Submit order. If everything looks good, click on the Submit button to place your order. Step 5. Monitor your investments. 1. Access your portfolio. Regularly log in to your E-Trade account to check the performance of your investments. 2. Stay informed. Keep an eye on market news and updates regarding the companies you've invested in. Adjust your portfolio as necessary based on performance and market conditions. 3. Consider setting up alerts. E-Trade allows you to set up price alerts for stocks in your watch list. This can keep you updated on significant price changes. Investing in stocks can seem daunting at first, but E-Trade provides a user-friendly platform that makes the process straightforward. Remember to do your research and invest wisely. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more investment tips and guides. Happy investing!